long time ago, where our history started, from Israel to Egypt to Ethiopia to Sudan to Uganda, and later we settled in Kenya as Luo community, the fishermen. When the visitors came from far away to our beloved country, some came with different intentions, like missionaries, to colonize, and invaded and took our resources like gold, diamond, and silvers. They came along with their string instrument, guitar, and denying our forefathers from playing it or touching it. And that is how our forefathers discovered our beautiful 8 strings instrument from Luo community called NYATITI. Through the stories we are hearing from different generations, is that NYATITI was in different shapes from its origin. As what we are holding now are the ones with curved resonators, skin, 8 fishing strings, and 3 wooden handles with a pentatonic scales. We love it, we play it, preserve it, and I call it the magic strings NYATITI. Let the campaign continues. #NYATITI music to the world. And this is a message to all NYATITI players globally. My name is King Walter Koga.
Joluo wakaurungu mondo wanegu yeyo machamo cham edero.